Hello everybody, it's Caitlin from Shumatt China. Today the product we'd like to show you is the valve assembly. Now let's see it together. Outside package is the blue VCI anti-rust bags. Here this is the label. And the product code is F00VC01371. Support customized service for the packing. Now let's see the product. Transparent bottles can be better avoid damages during the transportation, and inside is one layer's oil paper to wrap it up. Let's see the valve cavity with the coating figures on the groove. And this is the valve rod. If you want to clean the valve assembly, it's better to clean it with the oil, don't clean it with the water. Alright, that's all the details about today's product introduction. Thank you for watching. Bye!